Hello everyone, my name is Hadi Sami and welcome to FPLTC's another brand new video. Due to some technical difficulties, we could not publish our regular video contents in our regular time in our regular animated format, and that's why I have had to come here in front of the camera. In this video, I would like to discuss both our dream team and captaincy suggestion for game week 14. Before diving deeper, I would like to mention, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to us yet, please do it. It's completely free but means a lot to us. So let's not waste any time and dive deeper into the video. 6.3 million price premium goalkeeper Chelsea's Mendy has shown great potential since joining the team last season, and day by day his performance is firmly backing his FPL price. This season, Edouard Mendy has played 12 matches. Among those, he has kept 7 clean sheets. He made 32 saves during those matches, provided 61 fantasy points. Chelsea are going to have a tricky fixture run from game week 15, and in the upcoming game week 14, they will face Watford at an away match. Mendy is expected to provide a clean sheet again in the upcoming game week. Wolves goalkeeper Jose Sa has proved to be a fantastic signing for them. He has already provided 58 fantasy points and made his owners happy. Sa, in his first 12 matches of EPL, has kept 4 clean sheets and made 42 saves, assisted 1 goal, which are obviously noticeable facts for the FPL managers. He will face Burnley at game week 14 in a home match. Sa has kept 2 consecutive clean sheets now, and Sa's form has made us bound to keep him in our this week's dream team. Cancelo has featured in all the games for Manchester City this season and played 1157 minutes out of a possible 1170 minutes. He already contributed to 8 clean sheets and provided 5 assists, which resulted in 80 fantasy points. In game week 14, the second highest scoring defender in FPL so far will face Aston Villa in an away match, where he will surely try to add some more points to his tally. Trent has been one of the top rated defenders of FPL for the several past seasons. It is no wonder that he is on his way to replicate that time of form this season also. He has already provided 88 points, which makes him the highest scoring defender in terms of FPL points, and the upcoming fixture when Liverpool will face Everton in an away match, this could be another ideal stage for Trent to shine. The 5.1 million price defender Reguilon has provided 50 fantasy points in this season, while he provided 4 clean sheets, assisted 2 goals and scored 1 goal. In the upcoming game week, he will face Brentford in a home match. Brentford have been inconsistent this season, which brings the probability for Reguilon to shine in the upcoming game week. Chelsea's recent flying form and Watford's inconsistency make us consider Antonio Rudiger. He is the most consistent defender in Tuchel's squad. Watford is in the lower half of the XG chart, and Chelsea has conceded just 5 goals so far in the first 13 matches of this season's EPL, and showed defensive solidity under Tuchel's management. Wolves captain Conor Cody has sealed his position in our this week's dream team. Though he doesn't possess much attacking threat, but he is a sure starter, and Wolves seem to have found the rhythm of defending under their new coach Bruno Lage. In the upcoming game week, Cody will face Burnley in a home match. Due to illness, Raphinha missed the game against Spurs. Then he returned to play against Brighton. That match ended in a 0-0 draw, and where he was kept quiet. Without Bamford, he is the main man in the attack for Leeds without any doubt. He took part in 11 games and scored 5 goals. He bagged 53 points and is having almost 50% goal involvement for the team. He created 36 goal attempts, and among them 12 were from inside the box. Took 12 shots on target, created 22 chances for goal. They will face Crystal Palace in their next home game, who have already conceded 19 goals in total. Considering all the factors, Raphinha is a must pick for the upcoming game week 14 for any manager. Manchester City has been a star-studded team for the past several years. Injuries and bad patches of some key players in the City's team have made Bernardo Silva more of a focal point in the false nine formation. In this season, Silva has scored 4 goals, assisted twice with an XG of 3.81. He took 14 goal attempts and created 16 chances. An away fixture against Aston Villa will be a great opportunity to show his creative display. Mo Salah scored 6 points in the last game week as he provided an assist in Jota's second goal. His opponent is Everton this game week, who are showing defensive vulnerability as they conceded 17 goals so far. Only 6 teams conceded more. Salah had 123 touches in opponent's penalty area and had 22 out of 51 shots on target. So he is a blind pick in this game week 14. Last game was a terrific game for Diogo Jota as he scored twice against Southampton. Again, he showed his lethal ability to score goals as he took 7 goal attempts last week. He has been playing more in central role in all the matches he started. He scored 7 goals with 1 assist and delivered 68 fantasy points. With so many attacking potential behind him, will give tons of chances for him against Everton, and hopefully he will be back with his name on the score sheet again. West Ham midfielder Jarrod Bowen is showing great potential this season as he has great underlying stats. He made 29 goal attempts, created 19 chances and 3 of them were big chances. He had a tough game at Etihad Stadium against Manchester City, so he will look forward to bounce back in a home fixture against Brighton. Brighton conceded 11 shots against Leeds United last week and 4 of them were on target. So if Bowen works his magic, he can definitely produce some returns in this game week. Wilson is the star performer of Newcastle, but he is in a rough patch. In fact, he blanked the last 4 game weeks. But the 7.4 million priced forward has some juicy fixture in the horizon as he will face Norwich at the home this week. In his 10 matches, he scored 4 goals with an XG of 3.82. Both Norwich and Newcastle are among the bottom 3 teams at the point table of XG and XI chart. Moreover, Newcastle is the only team in EPL who haven't won a single game this season. So this game will be a very crucial one for them as they will look forward to winning it and Wilson has to take them to the helm. Harry Kane is having a quiet season so far as he scored only 1 goal and assisted 1 after playing 11 games for Spurs. His last game against Burnley was postponed due to heavy snowfall which frustrated all of his owners. This midweek game, he will face a Brentford side who have conceded 8 goals in 7 away matches. Spurs have yet to be clicked under their new coach Antonio Conte, but they were very attacking in the second half against Leeds, where they scored twice to win the match. Kane took 3 attempts from inside the box and had 1 shot on the target. This fixture against Brentford can be a great opportunity for Kane to get his name back on the score sheet. Raul Jimenez in this edition of Premier League has scored 3 goals and provided 3 assists for his team, but he has blanked in an away match against Norwich. Wolves have scored 12 goals in the first 13 matches with an XG of 15.2. They will face a Burnley side who is among the bottom 10 teams in the XGA chart. Jimenez will like to increase his goal tally by scoring in this fixture. Here are the 15 players of our dream team for the game week 14. From these 15 players, we would like to suggest Mo Salah, Kane and Jimenez as our favorite captaincy picks. That was all from us for the upcoming week's dream team selection and captaincy pick suggestion. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep an eye on us for upcoming contents. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe FPL on social media. We hope to see you in our next video. Till then, do take care and stay safe.